Hannika's 8.5 months playing in a little pool. Her favorite toy is a Dr. Pepper can. Uncle Paul filed it down so that there aren't any rough edges. We warmed the water for 2 days and she loves it. Is that fun, honey? Do you love to splash? She really likes it. Oh, fun.
Big smile.
You love it?
Big smile.
Oh, yes. Fun stuff. Oh, my gosh. All right. Bye-bye. See you later. See you later, Gator. See you later.